past form of to go. Ayun. She went. Okay, very good. Next, give me the plural form of the following words. Leaf, foot, tooth, hand, elbow. Again, elbow. Di ba yung hand? Hands. Elbow. Yung kulang pa. Diba? Hand. Hands. Elbow. Later. Match. Child. Fish. Make it complete. Fish. You repeat the first word. Mouse. Woman. Man. Elbow. Say elbows. Next one. What is the letter after J? After W. After M. M. Later after R. After C. Recite the alphabet. After C. A. What is after C? After M. Recite the alphabet. A, B, J, K, L. What is after M? No. M. Say N. N, huh? Okay, next one. Give me the first letter of the following words. Apple. Dog. Far. Jam. Kite. Queen. Rat. Violin. Worm. Zoo. Okay. Next, please try to read the following words. Letter. Violin begins with this letter. Sound of V. What is the sound? What is this? Sound of O. O. Sound of V. Okay, next one. Sound of V. Again, is this A? Don't think. Put your hand here. Again. Reach, look here. Look here. What letter is this? Apple begins with this letter. Saan nagsisimula ang apple? Apple. A. Sound of A. this letter? Letter. Not B. Letter. This one. How about this? What letter? This. Letter. How about T? Not A. This is not A. T. This one. Rat begins with this letter. Letter. Sound of R. R. This is. Look, says E. C. Say yi, a, ya. Letter. Say z, e, z. Wo, e, we. Say o, vo. Next, numbers. Number 4. What is this? What is this? 3. How do you read 3? If you see 2, 20. This is 3. What is this? No. Look. Diba ito? 20. Now about this. 3 and 5. This one. No. Well, look at this. 4 and 0, 40. This one. This is. Okay. 3 and 0. This one. This one is 32. This one. No. Not 20. This is. No, not 20. 26 is wrong. What is this? No. Look at this. 34. Oh, this one. And this one. Okay, what is the number after 24? 24 after 37 after 28. 28 28 after 30. 30 no 30 30 diba I wrote it there masulat ko doon 30 no 30 is 3 and 0. What is after 0? Rich, what is after 0? Ano sila sa 0? 0 oh, 1 30 25 okay 4 plus 4 4 no 4 0 plus 5 0 7 plus 2 7 1 plus 3 3 fingers 1 oh, count 1 here 1 oh, what is the number here oh, 1 count 1 okay 2 plus 5 5 now count 2 here plus 5 2 count now don't say plus count 2 what is after 2 2 okay next let's go to science. Give me the life cycle of a frog. Okay. The life cycle of a frog is life cycle of a butterfly. Wow.